Hello guys, Merry Christmas. So I got two fire alarms for Christmas. Today's December 25th, 2025. Almost finished with 2025. So this is a horn strobe, and this is strobe only. So these are specular advances. System sensor. Here's the back of them. Sorry, just clean my throat. I'm just gonna put it right here because these are round. The strobes are round. So the difference between the two is this doesn't have a knob. This has a knob, but this doesn't. Here's candela selectors. It's multi-candela. So this is for the tone and volume. So here's the pause if you want to read this. This is system sensor SR, and this system sensor P4R. Yeah, these look different, but they're the same. Yep. These are really nice alarms. This one, as you know, these are really loud when they go off. Yeah, they do make really loud buzzes. Yeah, they buzz so loud. But this one doesn't buzz because it's a remote strobe. Yeah, this one does not have the siren, but this one does. It came with screws, but I took them off. That way I can put them up and pull them off. Yeah, same fire lettering, same strobes, but different types. Yeah, this is a horn strobe and this is a remote strobe. But these are set at 15 candela. But if I move the candela selector, it changes to candela. Same thing with this one. Here we go. Focus. Here we go. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.